Today we're installing smart locks on our tiny house doors that were newly installed yesterday. In this video, I'm going to show you what comes in the box. My husband and I are going to install them, and I'm going to give you my honest opinion. The seller did send this to us in exchange for a video. However, all of the views and opinions in this video are my own. This is packaged really nicely to protect it during shipping. This requires 4 AA batteries. What's nice is this says up. It's on the other side, but it says up, so you know which way faces up. You're going to tuck this piece through here. Obviously the lock is going to go on the outside, so we're going to tuck this through here, and we're going to hold that on there, and then we're going to screw in these 2 screws. You do want to plug this into this side here. Okay, these silver screws go inside the battery cap. We are running out of daylight, so we're going to have to do this handle tomorrow, but if it's right in the cubby. And now the door is locked. Okay, so we use the template to make a little mark right there where we have to drill through. Wow, that was fast.
Beauty cap on this side.
Okay.
So you can adjust this to fit up to, it looks like an inch and a half almost. So slide that in there like that. Get your bearings gathered there. And there it will be.
Thankfully there is a beauty cap here, and we're just gonna finish screwing this in. Okay, and then we need to put the handle on. Now you're just gonna screw this on. I really wish that these were black, but that's okay. All right, now that the door handle's on, we need to put the screws on for this one. I'm gonna show you the app next, but let's just take a minute to appreciate how beautiful this oil rub bronze smart lock looks. Before you download the app, go ahead and install your batteries.
Please add a Bluetooth administrator.
Now download the TT Lock app and register. You're going to need to allow TT Lock notifications in order to continue. If you do not allow the notifications, it's going to prompt you to do it again. Then you're going to go ahead and add a new lock. This is incredibly easy to do. Once you go into the app, you're just going to touch any key on the keypad, and it's going to automatically go into pairing mode and find your lock. Once it's paired successfully, go ahead and give it a name. Then select your door swing, and now you're ready to do whatever the app allows you to do. You can remote unlock and lock. You can set up e-keys, passcodes, cards, create reminders, add admins, view records, and change your settings. Under settings, you're going to find a number of things like door sensor settings, notification settings. You're also going to have battery settings, so it will notify you if you have a low battery. That's really nice. You can decide whether you want notifications via the app, SMS, or email. You can add users by selecting their phone number or their email, entering their name and the time that it's active for. You can also pair this with an assistant like the Amazon Assistant or Google Assistant. You can set it up to auto lock or not auto lock. You can change the room status. You can change the door orientation. You can update the firmware and all kinds of other things. Overall, the app is really user-friendly and the lock looks fantastic. If you are looking for an oil rub bronze smart lock for your home, I would not hesitate to recommend this one from Hornbill.